A man received a t-shirt for his birthday from an American friend. It had a proverb printed on it. Don't walk behind me, I don't want to lead you. Don't walk in front of me, I don't want to follow you. Just walk next to me so that we can become one. Ute tribe, Utah on dark background. The man came up with a saying, if you want to know a people, know their proverbs. Proverbs are a simple way of expressing a well-known truth or adage based on common sense or experience. They are usually considered to be imbued with ancestral wisdom, passed down from generation to generation, until they become part of a society's oral tradition. So he immediately searched the internet for the Ute tribe. Here's what he found out from the search. Ute are the indigenous people of the Ute tribe, and culture among the indigenous peoples of the Great Basin. For thousands of years before the arrival of Europeans in the 1600s, they have lived in the regions of present-day Utah and Colorado in the southwestern United States. The state of Utah is named after the Ute tribe. To the Ute people, the mountains, valleys and rivers here were sacred and life-enabling places. Importantly, the Ute people never believed they owned the land. Rather, the historically nomadic people were of the land. Like the birds, animals and fish, they benefited from bountiful air, water, sunshine and soil in their region. This proverb encourages collaboration and the idea that together, individuals can achieve harmony and oneness. The man was moved to find out why his friend had gifted him this. True companionship and unity are achieved when individuals walk alongside each other, supporting and understanding one another, rather than one person taking the lead or simply following the other. We must not forget that equality and mutual respect are the most important things in a companionship.